Hello friends, in this video we learn to make simple electric circuit. These are the material that we need to make simple electric circuit. Join this cap to the battery. Avoid the touch of end of these two wires. These wires are act as positive and negative terminal of battery. If we join them, they damage the battery. So avoid the touch of these two wires. When we touch these two wires and with the LED bulb, then this bulb starts glowing. I fix this electric circuit on this cardboard sheet. Fix the battery and the LED bulb. Join the one end of wires and cover it with the black tape. Also fix the wires on this cardboard sheet and join the another end of wires. The bulbs start glowing. This is a simple electric circuit. Now we attach the pin on the one end of wire and fix it in the cardboard sheet, and also join pin and safety pin on the another wire and fix it on the another side of cardboard sheet. When we join the safety pin with the pin, the bulbs start glowing. When we move away the safety pin, the bulbs stop working. So in this circuit, this safety pin acts as a switch. Now bulb is glowing, it stopped working. Thanks for watching. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.